Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, y'all. Thank y'all so very much for joining me for this Crafty Vision segment. For those of you who do not know who I am, my name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy True Creation Designs. Thank y'all so much for joining me for today's video. All right, y'all, so I am going to show y'all how to make a beautiful pair of earrings using these rhinestone pop possibility gems, okay? I purchased these from Joann's Fabrics, and we're going to be making some beautiful earrings with these, okay? Now, when I open these, you can see all the different types of shapes that's in here. And I'm going to be using the square ones because of the shape that I choose to use for this video for today, okay? So you're going to need some gemstones, and you don't necessarily have to have a wood piece that you use. A wood piece, a square piece. You can put these on round shapes, oval shapes, whatever shapes you want, but this is the shape that I'm using. I purchased this wood shape from Michael's, okay? It comes in a pack. As a matter of fact, let me show y'all like this, and it has a variety of different shapes in it. Okay, just so y'all could see. Okay, that's how they come. You're also going to need some artistic wire. You're going to need some black paint, Mod Podge, a dowel, round nose pliers, wire cutters, flat nose pliers. You're going to need a glue gun and wood burner. You're going to need something to put the hole in your wood piece. So you don't have, this is optional. You don't have to have this. You can use an awl or whatever you have to put your hole in your piece, okay? This just makes it so much convenient and so much better because it makes the hole perfect, as you can see, from one side to the other, okay? There's no cracks in the wood or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I've already painted my piece. I've already added my Mod Podge on my piece. Okay, move that out the way. So the next thing we're going to do, and I put one coat of this and one coat of this, okay? The next thing we're going to do is I've already picked out the colors of my gemstones. So these are I keep saying gemstones, my rhinestones. All right, and you're going to need 9. And let's go ahead and get started. So my piece has been cut. I'm going to say it is about maybe 6.5 inches long. And you're going to take it and we're going to put it on our piece. So you're just going to put it through like this and you're going to pinch it up. Because guess what, y'all? We're going to be making our own fish hooks this time again. So you're going to pinch it up just like this. Okay. Make sure you get it as tight as you can get it. And then the back piece of your wire. Okay. The back piece of your wire, you're going to bring down and start wrapping it around, okay? So you're going to bring it down like this. Bring it down. Okay. And then you're just going to start wrapping around this long piece right here. So you're going to bring it down and bring it over. Okay. And then you're just going to connect it. Okay. And then all you're going to do next is you're just going to do your series. Y'all know I like to do a series of wraps. So I'm going to probably wrap this. I got about 4 or 5 on here so far. And you want to try to keep everything nice and tight together while you're wrapping. Okay. All right. And I'm going to come around. And then come back and turn it around one more time. Okay, so here we have it. So I did this about, what? About 6, 7, 8, 9, something like that times. You don't have to wrap it that many times, okay, if you don't want to. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cutters and just, boop, snip right there. And I'm going to take my flat pliers, flat within here, and I'm just going to come and squeeze this wire as tight as I can get it. Okay, and that's pretty much what you are going to have. Now I am going to flip it this way. I'm going to start adding on my rhinestones. Okay, now you gotta be, with this part, you gotta be really accurate with this part of making these earrings, okay? So the very first one I'm gonna add on is going to be this blue one, and I'm just gonna add a dab, just like that, of glue, and then I'm gonna take it and lay it just like that. Yep. And then my next color, and I got a color missing, y'all. I got too many blues, and I'm supposed to have a fuchsia. All right, so that's my next color. So I'm gonna pop this on here, boop, just like that, and just line it up like that. And you want to leave some space in between. It's my blue one. Leave just a little bit of space in between, just like that. Then my next color is going to be red. I'm going to bring that right here. Oop. And the thing about when you're working with your glue gun is that sometimes, y'all know how this glue, when you be moving it, sometimes it can get a little stringy on you. Then I'm going to add this color here. Okay. And then I'm going to put another blue in the middle. So all my blues are going to pretty much be in the middle. And this shape is like a triangle, like a diamond. Then my next color is going to be green. So I'm going to put a green one over here. And then that's the green one. And then my very last blue one, I'm going to put here. And then I'm going to add on my Okay. Sorry, y'all. And then I'm going to add on my very last green one. Okay. Boom. Now, the thing about this, as you can see, if you choose that you want to do this on the back, you can do it on the back, but I'm going to leave the back side of mine's plain, okay? Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my wire this way, okay? You're going to pinch your wire forward. Still got a lot of that. Pinch it forward, okay? And then you're just going to take your dowel and shape it like a fish hook. And I mean bring it all the way down, push it in to make it like a fish hook. And bam, there you have it. You done worked your magic. This is so convenient, y'all. All right, so now you want to just snip this out like that. And then you're going to take a file, or you're going to use a file, whatever you have to file it down. So I'm just going to file this down. I've been chopping on this, as you can see. Yeah, the reason why you file it down is because when you make these and you decide that you want to sell these, when somebody put it in their ear, when you just cut it and it's not filed down, it will stick them and hurt them, and that's not what you want. So you want to file it down as good as you can get it. And once you file it, get it down, then you take your round nose pliers and you come and you make just a little, like a little swoop. Okay, and then here you have your earring. All right. These are beautiful, and you can put these on anything, y'all. These are amazing. You can make all kinds of jewelry. You can make chokers with these rhinestones, all kinds of things, okay? So with that being said, please do me a favor and thumbs up the video, share this content out to your social media platforms. For people who are looking for ideas, for those of you who are in groups, please share it to your group page to help somebody. You know, it's all about us helping each others to get to where we are trying to go, okay? So with that being said, I want to say thank y'all so very much. I greatly appreciate your support. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.